All right, guys, it is moving day. Today is what, Wednesday? But if you notice, the island hopper is gone, and you guys saw the video that I put out the other day for the island hopper. It's the new 2023 version. So anyone interested, just get in touch with me. But guess what? We're finally getting another bar out of here. And Eric we started to play Move Your Bar. Tetris. We've been playing Tetris for the last 2 months, trying to figure out how to get everything in here and keep working. So we're finally getting another bar out. So this will be our second bar this week. And it's not this one. This one I'm hoping to get out of here maybe tomorrow. The roof is too big to thatch here. So we're going to have to take this one and thatch it on site. So this monster's ready to go too. But let's see what we got. Moving day. All right. This 4x6. This is going to Warminster, PA. So got to get this one out of the way. And here's the roof. We did the roof yesterday. So anybody wondering, yeah, we had to get this big ass monster bar out of the way so we can get this one out. A little dusty, but we'll tiki. There you go. Yeah, we had to get this big bar out. You guys saw it took up the whole door. Well, that's 14 feet. Door's only 10. So this is the thatched roof. This is what this synthetic looks like. And it looks exactly like real palm. But the exception is it's not. It's synthetic. So the underneath definitely looks different. And I am now a strategic partner for oh my gosh, I can't even think today. No coffee today, Eric. I can't even talk right now. I am. What's that?
It's better for you.
Yeah. Oh boy, I don't even know where my thoughts are this morning. But I am a strategic partner for Endure Reed Synthetic Thatch now. So basically, I guess I'm a glorified salesperson. Who knows? But I will be selling this and advertising this on my website. This is the go-to synthetic thatch. And I believe the director of sales is flying in from Florida to meet me and go over how to become a strategic partner, all the ins and outs. So that's going to be fun. So anyway, this is what the roof looks like. And now there's I've actually grown to like it. It looks different underneath than what a natural thatch roof does, but it's the outside that gives you the look. And the inside, it's not bad. I've been doing these now for 3 years, and this year I think I got 9 or 10 synthetic roofs. So yeah, at the end of this video, we'll start another video when we get it out there today and get set up. But Eric's emptying out the truck of the poles, the cedar poles we have, and Ed is going to be here at 9:30, and I think Barlick and Esterly are going to be here. They're going to chip in and help us move everything today. So all the help we can get. We got to lift this thing up. That's the next one there. That's too big. That's a 8x, yeah, the bar's 6x8, so that's an 8x10 roof. So with the thatch on it, it's too big and heavy to transport. So we're gonna take the roof just like that and then thatch it out there. So it's gonna be a long day tomorrow doing that one. Go get my trailer out of the weeds back there. All right, so when we get out there, I'll make another video. It'll be attached to the end of this one. Anybody need any? Oh my God, I got to get some freaking coffee. Eric, what time? It's not even 9 o'clock, is it?
No, I don't think so.
I was up at 6 this morning doing like office work stuff, but never even drank any coffee. I can't even talk today.
I didn't get no coffee either.
Maybe I shouldn't talk to my customer. You guys talk to my customer. I'm just gonna sit there like a dummy. A mute. All right, guys. Well, all right. On to the next video, which is going to start right now. See that? That wasn't a long wait. One video right into the next. So we're here. The help is here. We got the Esterly. Tell everybody how fabulous you are.
I'll let you do that. I'm a modest, sort of fabulous.
And he's already said it twice in 5 seconds. And Jimmy the finger. Oh, that's Ed talking up there. We got Eric stuck back there. That's Eric's home for the next couple days.
Foreseeable future.
He's nesting back there. So let's take a walk. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Widescreen, widescreen.
Hey, coming at you.
Coming at you.
Live action.
All right. So we already got the bar back there. We're waiting for the homeowner to get here because he's not quite sure where he wants it. So this will be the middle video. Well, I'll do another one as soon as we get it set up. But there's the bar. Still on dollies. We're not sure where he's going to put it. It's a hell of a slope they put on this patio, though. I mean, that's drastic. That's a lot. And it's weird because it looks like it goes into the corner there. My personal opinion, water should flow away from the house. So it should be coming back towards this way and maybe over to the yard. But anyway, it doesn't matter. All right, well, we're here waiting on the homeowner, and we'll get this set up in a few minutes, and the next video is going to start in 3, 2, 1. All right, and here I am. I am back, and we're all set up. Guys are putting what little tools we had away, and there it is. It's 6x4 with a 6x8 roof. How many? Five bar stools, and that is a synthetic roof. That actually looks really good, and the overhang on it's absolutely perfect. So everything turned out really good, and we decided to put it in the corner. And it looks pretty good. We had to go through some trees getting here, but the roof actually looks really good. I'm really starting to like this stuff. And who did this? Fine, fantastic job. That's right, Tiki Kev. All right, well, that about wraps it up for here. Let's see. Well, we'll go behind the bar. Grab this tape off of here. And this one gets plugged in. Then there's rope lighting and a shelf back behind this one. So this one is pretty much a wrap. And there's Pat. What do you think, Pat?
Love it.
Love it? All right.
Absolutely happy.
Tell you what, Pat, years and years ago, I was totally against artificial thatch.
Yeah, but now.
The last 3 years I've been using it, and I'm like all for it. I love it.
Oh, a little more money if it's more durable lasts. Why not?
Yeah, it's a little more money in the short run, but in the long run, you never have to worry about anything going wrong with it. You don't have to worry about palms breaking off and falling in your pool.
That's
and
what you want.
Rethatching, and yep.
I can go.
Yeah, yep. I'll
I'll be back.
Yeah, I'll take Jim with me.
When you guys leave from here, just make sure we shut the gate all the way.
Yeah.
So the dog don't get out.
Yeah, exactly.
My exterminator came and did that.
What, let your dog out?
Oh, she didn't close the gates, and I come home and let my dog out. You know, and I go do my business. I come looking for her. She's gone.
Great.
I called my. I wanted to scare him. Thank God the dog came to the front door.
Mhm.
Normally she's gone. She sees people. She loves
Oh,
people. She
right.
runs across the street. So I called the kid. I said, "Yo, dude, my dog's gone." I already had her, but I wanted him to fucking feel what
Yeah.
I wanted.
Oh,
He
right.
called his boss. I didn't want that. Then his boss called me.
Oh.
I didn't want to go that
Then,
far.
yeah.
You know what I mean? But I just wanted to put a fear in him.
Just a little bit,
Yeah, I
yeah.
didn't think
Be
he was
more
gonna-
responsible.
Yeah, I
That's
didn't
it.
think
Yeah.
he was going to tell his boss.
Yep.
I didn't want him to get in no trouble. But
There's Jim waiting. All right, well, this is a wrap, Pat. It's all yours.
thank you very much.
All
Kev.
right. All
Very
right,
much.
Tiki Kev out.